Black holes, the most strangest things in the universe, particularly in existence. After hearing of the word black hole, many questions arise in our mind, such as where do they come from? What is singularity point? What can happen if you fall into one such? And more. So today we've got you the answers of all these strange questions to this strange thing. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with other keen learners like you. Join us by subscribing to our channel for more knowledge. Now, let's get started. Birth. One star's end is a black hole's beginning. Most black holes form from the remnants of a large star that dies in a supernova explosion. If you're interested in the life of the stars, do watch my video on Stars' life, whole from birth to death. Link is under the I button, you can check it out from there. Continuing with our topic, if the total mass of the star is large enough, about 3 times the mass of the sun, it can be proven theoretically that no force can keep the star from collapsing under the influence of gravity. However, as the star collapses, a strange thing occurs. As the surface of the star nears an imaginary surface called the event horizon, time on the star slows relative to the time kept by observers far away. When the surface reaches the event horizon, time stands still, and the star can collapse no more. It is a frozen collapsing object. Structure. There are 2 basic parts of a black hole, the singularity and the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return around the black hole. It is not a physical surface, but a sphere surrounding the black hole that marks where the escape velocity is equal to the speed of light. A rotating black hole's event horizon is also separated into 2 parts, outer and inner horizon. The outer event horizon of such an object acts like a point of no return, just like the event horizon of a non-rotating black hole. The event horizon of a rotating black hole, also known as quasi-horizon, is even stranger. Past that threshold, because it no longer necessarily precedes effect. The past no longer necessarily determines the future, and time travel may be possible from here. Next comes the singularity. The singularity is the center of a black hole, which is ultimate no man's land, a place where matter is compressed down to an infinitely tiny point, and all conceptions of time and space completely break down. And it doesn't really exist, but something has to replace the singularity. But we're not exactly sure what. What if you fell into a black hole? If you plummeted into a black hole, your body would be ripped apart through the process spaghettification. But exactly how depends on what type of black hole you fell into. The time is experienced differently around the black hole. From the outside, you seem to slow down as you approach the event horizon. At this point, the time passes slower for you. After this, at some point, you would appear to freeze in time, slowly turn red, and at last disappear. How would you die depends on the mass of the black hole. A smaller black hole would kill you even before you enter its event horizon. Whereas, if we talk about a supermassive black hole or a supersized black hole, you could probably travel for some few seconds inside it. Black holes come in different sizes. There are stellar black holes with a few times the mass of the sun and the diameter of an asteroid. And then there are supermassive black holes which are found at the heart of every galaxy and have been feeding for billions of years. Currently, the largest supermassive black hole known is S50014+81. It is 40 billion times the mass of our Sun, and it is 236.7 billion kilometers in diameter, which is 47 times the distance from the Sun to the Pluto. Black holes are so powerful, but they will eventually have to evaporate through a very slow process called Hawking radiation. At last, this process gets faster. The black hole explodes in the form of a billion nuclear bombs. If you have entered the black hole and now want to escape, you need to cross the speed of light. In other words, I can say that it's impossible. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.